NASA's explorers on Mars are on the move and making new discoveries. It's a journey you can be a part of too. NASA's Curiosity rover, which has been climbing Mount Sharp since 2014, is about to drive up onto a broad, sloping surface called the Greenheugh Pediment. This will allow scientists to fast forward perhaps millions of years in Mars's history and study the history of liquid water written into these different layers of rock. And Curiosity made some interesting discoveries along the way. Less than half an inch in size, this unusual feature, eroded from sedimentary rock, was cemented by mineral-rich groundwater. And check out this rock, smoothly eroded by winds. Over in Jezero Crater, the Perseverance rover is getting ready for a new destination and science campaign. And it's consistently setting driving records on Mars by relying more on self-driving software that allows the rover to avoid obstacles without having to consult a human on Earth. Perseverance will be pushing north in an area where an ancient river flowed into a body of water. It left sediments in a shape called a delta. The rover will collect more rock samples there. The Ingenuity Mars Helicopter will support Perseverance's upcoming science campaign. The helicopter has been given the green light to try to keep flying on Mars for the next few months. Upgrades to its navigation software will improve flight and operational safety. The Mars explorers will document the journey along the way, and you can make your own discoveries. Visit the raw image pages to see the latest images every day, and vote for your favorites. To get the latest updates, follow @NASAJPL and @NASA Mars on social media, or take a deeper dive on the mission websites at mars.nasa.gov.